The check-in log shows the records of all individuals who have checked into your organization's activities. It is organized as a table with columns for the participant's name and email, the name of the activity, their check-in time and method, and their checkout time and total duration. By default, the data is sorted by check-in time, with the most recent check-in records appearing at the top. Use the options at the top to search the records by name or email, or filter by activity name. You can apply edits to some of the information in a check-in record. Performing updates here will also update the data in any check-in merits that were automatically issued to the participant. Clicking on a participant's name allows you to make changes to it. You cannot make any changes to an email address associated with a check-in record. The checked in column will show the time that the participant checked in the time zone specified in the activities settings. Below this time will be the name of the kiosk they used to check in. We'll discuss kiosk setup in a later section. You can click on the check-in time to make changes to it. The checked out column will show the time that the participant checked out, if checkout is enabled for this activity. Below the checkout time will be the total duration from their check-in to checkout times. You can click on a checkout time to make changes to it. Participants who have not checked out will show the words checkout with an orange dot. You can click on this to manually set a checkout time. If you would like to manually add a record for someone who was unable to check in on a kiosk, click on Check In Participant in the top right. Enter in the person's name, email, and select the appropriate activity. Then click Check In. They will be added as a new record in the check-in log. By default, their check-in time will be set to the current time, and their record will display manual check-in. Manually checking someone in like this bypasses any forms, qualifications, or location check as part of the activity. When an activity's qualification checks a person's merits, you can click this symbol to see a record of the specific merits the participant had to meet the qualification. When someone fills out a form as they check in, there will be a button that allows you to download a copy of that form. You can attach a note to a check-in record by clicking this button. These notes will only be viewable from this check-in log and won't be visible to the participant. Click the 3 dots on any check-in record to see additional options. You can send a merit to the participant. Clicking this will prompt you to select one of your merit templates. Its additional fields will also be displayed. You can also delete a check-in record. Doing so will revoke any merits that were automatically sent to the participant when they checked in. Use the checkboxes on the left side to select one or multiple records, then choose an action from this drop-down menu. You can issue them a merit, bulk edit their check-in or checkout times, add a note, or delete the record. Click Export to download a CSV spreadsheet of your organization's check-in data. The resulting file will have a similar structure to the check-in log, with columns for activity, first name, last name, email, check-in date and time, check-in device name, checkout date and time, and duration.